That is that banging. You hear it?
Yeah, I've been hearing it since we got up here.
What is it?
I
There's some really loud banging. We really are in the hills of PA.
Did you say something? Will you say it again?
Almost sounds like drumming, doesn't it? I don't know, guys. I think we probably should wrap it up. What do you think? We still have to find our way out of here.
My son's almost like a heartbeat.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
I don't know if you guys could hear it. Can you guys hear that thumping?
Probably not.
Well, guys, we need to get going. It's getting late. Still got to drive out of these woods.
Yeah, that's a long trip.